Good morning, my dear friends. For the past 2 days, some of our faculties have called me and asked how to complete this course outcomes target sheet. So therefore, I have to do a small homework and I have to display it in the form of a video presentation. So you have to write the assessment year and write the academic year 2014-15 or 16-17, etc. Write the name of the faculty, write the department he or she belongs to, write the subject code and name of the subject, year, second year or third year or fourth year / the semester for this course belongs to, and a section. And this is the target, CO target, the minimum target you have fixed. And this is the table that you are going to be fill it. For assignment 1, that the target percentage of the target you planned. For in our college, for all the assignments, it is your choice. The purely depends on the choice of the faculty. You may fix the percentage of the target is assignment 1 is 70, assignment 2 70, 3 70, 4 70, 5 70, and IAT 1 50, IAT 2 50, IAT 3 50. Internal examinations, it is D. And similarly, percentage of attained, target attained. Target fixed is 70%. So target attained is equal to number of the students have completed, have written the assignment divided by total number of the students in a class. Similarly, for IAT 1, number of the students appeared in the examinations. IAT 1, number of the students reached the target in IAT 1 divided by total number of the students appeared in IAT 1. So this is purely related with our result analysis, university or IAT 1 result analysis. So these are the actions implemented or actions taken to achieve the target. You have to write what are the actions you have implemented, what are the actions you have taken to achieve the target. Here, direct attainment. Direct attainment comprises two components. One is the internal attainment and another one is the external attainment. For each CO, we have to find out each CO is to be assessed by the internal attainment and as well as the external attainment. This external attainment is assessed by the university examination. So university examinations, we don't discriminate or we don't group the questions in the university examinations with respect to the CO level. Therefore, for university examinations, that the attainment from the university examination is common for all COs. In the university examinations, if we have got the attainment is 3, this is common for CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4 and CO5. So direct attainment is equal to internal attainment plus external attainment. Internal attainment in our college is 5 assignments and 3 internal assessment test, and the external attainment is from university examinations. The percentage of weightage we have given for internal attainment is in our college, that is 20%, and external attainment is 80%. It is also purely depends upon the faculties, and it should be finalized in a course committee. So overall attainment is equal to direct attainment plus indirect attainment. So this is the direct attainment, and indirect attainment, each CO should be attained through indirectly also through a questionnaire. We have sent the questionnaire in the name of the course exit survey to all the students in a class. So each student has to assess each COs, and the mean of the students, mean of the COs in each class, each course has found it, and that value is to be entered here. CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4, CO5. So all the COs should be different values. So overall attainment is equal to percentage of direct attainment plus percentage of indirect attainment. So in our college, you may choose, you may given 80% weightage for direct attainment and 20% weightage for indirect attainment, or you may choose 90% or 10% or 95% weightage for direct attainment or 5% weightage for indirect attainment. So this is the action implemented. This is the suggestion action for next academic year. So these are the gap identified and the topic identified to fill the gap, action taken, relevance to POs and PSOs. Now I have to explain the step-by-step procedure how to find out the internal attainment for each COs. Here you are having a table. This is table number 1. Table number 1 is comprises of two components, table number 1A and table number 1B. And this table is for internal assessment 1, internal assessment is through CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4, CO5, and the external assessment is through the university, examination. Direct attainment is equal to 0.2 x1 plus 0.8 x2, and indirect attainment is equal to y. So overall CO attainment is equal to 0.8 x plus 0.2 y. So this is for my case. For your case, you have to deviate, you have to assign any weightage for this x1, any weightage for this x2, any weightage for this x, and any weightage for this y. Okay, are you clear? Yes. So my dear friends, now I am going to find out internal assessment for CO1 through various steps. In various step-by-step procedure I have explained. Before that, I have completed, I have this table. I already stated that for assignment 1, I fix all the assignments, I fix the target as 20%. Sorry, I fix the weightage for assignment is 20%. I fix the weightage for IIT is 80%. And target, I fix the percentage of target for all the assignments are 70%. I fix the weightage for, or I fix the percentage of target for all the IIT are 50%. Assignment 1 is 70, IIT 1 is 50, then 70, then 70, IIT 2 is 50, assignment 5 is 70, assignment 3 is 50. Similarly, for level, this level also I have fixed for my course. So you have fixed any level for your course according to the students. According to the course, you have to change the percentage of the level of the students in your class. For my class, I have fixed the target for assignment 1 is 70, 270, 370, 470, 570. IIT 1, 50, IIT 2, 50, IIT 3, 50. For level, for assignment 1, I fixed the level as 60, level 1 60, level 2 70, level 3 80. For all the assignments, I have fixed the same level. So you may vary. For assignment 2, you may fix 70, 80 or 90 or 80, 90 or 100. Whatever may be, you have finalized them. It means that I fixed my target level is 70%. My duty is to make all the students in the class to reach 70% marks in assignment 1. To make all the students in my class to reach 50% marks in IIT 1. To make all the students in my class to reach D grade in university examination. So I have split my students in 3 levels, level 1, level 2 and level 3. Level 1 means if in my class 60% of the students have reached the target 70% of marks in assignment 1, the level is 1. If 70% of the students have reached 70% mark, that is the target in assignment 1, is level 2. If 80% of the students in my class have reached 70% score or marks in assignment 1 is similarly 50% of the students have reached 50% marks in assignment 1, that is the target, is level 1. 60% of the students have reached the target, that is 50% mark in IIT 1 as level 2. If 70% of the students have reached 50% mark in university examination level is 3. Similarly for university examinations, also I have fixed at the level 1, level 2 and level 3. For level 1 is, that is 62, 70. Level 2 is 72, 80. Level 3 is above 80% of the students. Above 80% of the students have reached 70% marks in assignment 1, the level is 3. So in that way I have finalized the level. Now I have finalized the level, and I finalized the weightage for assessment. My assessment components are assignments and IIT 1. For CO1, assessment component is assignment 1 and IIT 1, CO2 assignment 2 and IIT 1, CO3 assignment 3 and IIT 2, CO4 assignment 4 and IIT 2, and CO5 assignment 3 and IIT 3. Total CO1 is 20 plus 80 is 100, 20 plus 80 100, 20 plus 80 100, 20 plus 80 100, 20 plus 80 100. Okay, I am giving 80% weightage for my direct internal assessment is from IIT 1. I am giving 20% weightage for my direct internal assessment is from assignment 1. Okay, for CO1. To achieve for CO2, I am giving 20% weightage is from assignment 2 and 80% weightage for IIT 1. Similarly for CO3, 20% weightage for assignment 3 and 80% weightage for IIT 2. For CO4, 20% weightage for assignment 4 and 80% weightage for assignment 2. For CO5, 20% weightage for assignment 5 and 80% weightage for IIT 3. Now, from step-by-step procedure, I have explained to each internal assessment. There is X1 component for CO1, X1 component for CO2, X1 component for CO3, X1 component for CO4, X1 component